Hi, students. Pause and read this carefully. Read this problem carefully before you continue. The two important parts of this question is the evidence and what it's asking you. So the evidence that we have is that ratio of red pieces to total. So I write down the evidence. Red to total is 5 to 15. How do I know? They told us right here in this statement. This is what you need to know. And then what is the question? So I'm going to put in a box my evidence. This is what I know for sure. And then the question asks what statements are true of these four statements. So I'm going to go through each one and compare it to the evidence that I have. So A says, let's see. A says ratio of red to blue is 5 to 10. So notice that I write down the very important information that they gave me, and then I compare it to the evidence. Okay, so I'm going to compare it now to the evidence, and red is 5, that's correct. Blue is 10. Okay, so they gave me red to total. So the red is 5, and the total is 15. So red plus, what would the other color be? It would have to be blue, because in the question they said red pieces and blue pieces, okay? So red and blue is 15. So from that information, I'm going to deduce that the blue is 10, because if the red is 5, then 10 more makes 15, and that could only be blue. So that's why choice A is correct. Let's go to choice B. The ratio of total pieces, total to blue, I'm writing down the information that they're giving me, is 10 to 15. Okay, so I'm not now going to compare it to the evidence. The total is 10. That's not true, because total is 15. It's always going to be 15. That's what we know. So that can't be correct. And we already discovered that blue has to be 10. So, and this says blue is 15. So no, that can't be correct. Choice C, there are 3 times as many total pieces than red pieces. 3 times as many total pieces, which is 15. So 3 times 15? Is that what it's saying? 3 times as many total pieces than red pieces. So 3 times as many as red, which is 5. So really, this would be 3 times as many total, as many total pieces than 5. So that can't be correct. That does not even make sense. We already know the numbers. We already know that red is 5, that blue is 10, and the total is 15. We already know that from the evidence. Okay, and then D, the ratio of total to red. Total to red is 15 to 5. 15 to 5. So total is 15. Yes, that's correct. And red is 5. That's correct too. So in this one, both choice A and D are correct, because we studied the evidence and compared it to the choices. Hope this helped.